Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a monster move here for AMC, and huge volume, huge price movement. If you didn't hear about AMC today, then you must live under a rock. But moral of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one moving forward. So I want to map out a couple of main levels that I think a lot of people will be watching. And that's important because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have with each of these areas. So the first level here that every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching is basically there at that $20 mark, slightly above 20 to be exact, at $20.35. But I'm just going to call it 20 because you know what? If $20 falls, then I think the price will at least retest $20.35. Now, nothing is guaranteed. That's not what I'm trying to get across. All I'm trying to get across is that it is a more than valid, is it a more than rational thought to have that if the price consolidates out and then works its way up there and gets a break up through that area, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, nothing's guaranteed, but it's more than reasonable to think that that could very well, create another kind of buying frenzy if the price can work its way back up to that area. So that is certainly going to be a very important level of resistance to watch moving forward. As far as levels of support are concerned, first key level to watch moving into Thursday going to be right there at $16.50, which I should note in the pre-market, or excuse me, post-market right now, the price is actually down around that area. But that's the tricky part with, after hours is you have all of after hours today, and then on Thursday morning, you all have pre-market. So where is it going to actually open? Who knows? But like I said, I'm just going to take it at face value and, talk about these levels here, assuming that the price stays where it is, at the close of the day. But if that 1650 mark does not quite hold up, then the next key level that a lot of people are going to be curious about in watching will then be down there right around $13.50. So keep your eye on those technical levels going forward, and let's see if the price can ultimately get that $20 break. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.